Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. I am so excited to see you. It has been so long since I have came on and done any type of unboxing, haul, any type of upload. So I figured, you know what? Let's do a mini haul. So again, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am super excited to see you. And I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you so much for taking a moment to click on the video. Over here, for the most part on this channel, I talk about hair, both my love of my natural hair care as I am on a natural hair care journey, and my love for wigs, okay? As a former licensed cosmetologist and beauty salon owner, I talk about hair on this channel. I talk about skincare. I talk about self-care. I talk about motivation, inspiration, all sorts of things uplifting. I talk a little trending topics over here, and that is why the channel is Pandi's Hair Candy and More, because you're going to get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So if you enjoy that type of content, uplifting, informative, upbeat, family friendly, then you are in the right place. By the time we finish with this mini haul and unboxing from Bath and Body Works, please go ahead and blow dry on that like button for me, share this video out for me, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free 99 after all. It does not cost you anything to do so. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. It would greatly help me out. I am working on watch time hours. You already know how it is on these YouTube streets. Okay. And without further ado, and with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So you all already know, you guys are familiar with Bath and Body Works, right? Okay. So this time, y'all, I was prepared. I always miss the semi-annual sale, right? Well, this time I was prepared, y'all. So when they had their semi-annual sale, I was prepared. And I am a candle connoisseur. I love to have candles. Not necessarily that I burn them, but for one, I'm in the southeast part of the United States. There has been so many times that I have had to cancel live streams. Like, I've literally been in collaborations with people and I've had to cancel and bail on my live streams because the power has gone out. So I like to keep candles on hand, and I like candles for aromatherapy. I like to have them when I'm in the bathtub soaking, and I just like to have them for decoration around my fireplace, just around the house, because of the aroma. They make the house smell good, right? So I was like, okay, let me catch this semi-annual sale with Bath and Body Works and see if it, lives up to the hype, because it's been years since I shopped Bath and Body Works. But as I always say on this channel, as a 49-year-old empty nester trying to adjust to, I can't say, oh, I'm a mom of 3 now. My children are grown and out of the house now. It's just me and the hubby. So trying to find other things to do with my time, I was like, let me get to this Bath and Body Works and see what this semi-annual sale is giving. So I wanted to treat myself to a few things. So I was like, let me bring them on up to Pandi's Peeps and show them what I picked up. So let me bring it on up, show y'all what I picked up in the semi-annual sale. And I hope y'all enjoy. So, like I said, it has been years. And typically, I'm not a big perfume girl. I like to do body oils. But if I do perfumes, I'm like a juicy couture girl. But I will do like body sprays and body lotions and things after a shower or bath. So I was like, okay, strawberry pound cake sounds good. So I did pick up that line. Can y'all see that? Let me try to get it in the frame. I call myself setting up a additional camera so that y'all could see it better, and I can't even figure out how to get it in there. So let me just hold that up. So I got, this is the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with shea butter plus hyaluronic acid. It is 24-hour moisture. This is 8 ounces. And when you're a woman of a particular age, you definitely want to have that hyaluronic acid. You all know on this channel, whenever I unbox, which I do a lot of product reviews and unboxings on this channel. Mm, that smells good, y'all. I like to smell and try. Okay. Can y'all see? Okay. Hold up. I think my Bluetooth just died, so the volume came on. All right, there. I don't want to have an echo in there. Oh my God, y'all. It smells delicious. Mm, okay. 1 second, y'all. Child, the beauty of not doing this live. I literally, my battery died on my other device. So, all right. So, with regard to this lotion, it smells wonderful. I'm really liking this. So, as I was saying, I treated myself to the strawberry pound cake line. So, I got, and this was on sale as well. I think it was like buy two or buy three, get one free. That's what it was. So, I got the ultimate body cream. I got the body wash. Okay. What else? The daily nourishing. Okay. And then this is the strawberry pound cake fine fragrance mist. All right. So, and I can't remember what I paid for these. And for some reason, they didn't include an invoice in there, but I want to say it was like $17. It wasn't bad at all, guys. But I was like, okay, good little splurge. Treat me. So if you guys have tried this, mm, I'm really liking the way it smells. It really does smell like strawberry pound cake. It's a soft scent, but it smells like a cake. I know my husband's gonna like that. So that was that. And then, like I said, I also got some candles. So I wanted to think outside of the box with the candle scents, right? So on this first scent, can y'all see that? I got pink pineapple sunrise. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. So I can imagine that that's going to smell good. Look at that container. So what I do remember and what I've always liked about Bath and Body candles, mm, 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 is they have the 3 wicks. Okay? Can y'all see that? Come back down here. I got a little ring light down here. So you got your 3 wicks in there. And like I said, I don't typically burn these, but in the event that I do need to, that'll come in handy. So these were $13.95. These are regularly $25. So that was a huge deal. Actually, I take that back. $26.95 according to the sticker, but they were $13.95. So I felt like that was a good deal. So I got 3. So this is the pink pineapple sunrise. It's made with natural essential oils. This next one is, try to bring that light closer, pink peach blossom, made with natural essential oils. Okay. Of course, it also has the 3 wicks. Mm. Oh my God. That smells so amazing. Wow. Mm, mm, mm. Wow. And then the last candle, I can't wait to smell this because anything citrusy is usually so refreshing and clean and just gives you summer vibes. So this is a new scent line for them. It is their fresh Amalfi lemon. Okay. And I like it. It's like a yellow and blue. Can y'all see that? I don't know why I can never get it angled in there right. It's like I set up the camera and then I can never position it. Is that better? All right, there. So, anywho, you got your 3 wicks. Oh my God. Mm. Oh my God, y'all. That smells absolutely amazing. And again, there is the strawberry shortcake line. So y'all can see that. Hopefully, there's those items there. And that pretty much concludes this mini haul. Again, we just did a little mini vacay for the Memorial holiday weekend, and I am feeling refreshed. Like I said, trying to still adjust to being an empty nester, to being a grown up, uh, to being on this grown and sexy. And so learning to love myself, pour back into me, and fill my cup. And I was like, let me catch that semi annual sale with Bath and Body and come on and share it with the girls. So if you all have enjoyed this mini haul, definitely drop down in the comments and let me know. And sharing is caring, so please share the video for me. I would greatly appreciate it. Drop down in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Until next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.